I've written a couple of articles recently on whether engineers make good consultants. Having been through that transition myself, of course, the short answer is yes, absolutely. But they may need some support in certain places. I thought I'd save, I guess, the area where I needed most personal support and re-understanding for a video. And for me, it was letting go of an instinct to have huge depth of technical expertise, or at least reframing what we mean by expertise. You know, as an engineer, I think that means deep technical knowledge of, let's say, an engineering standard or a design process or something like that. In consulting, I think it definitely means having a rich understanding and a really deep, knowledgeable, experience-based understanding of client need and client problem. And that can only come from speaking to clients. And I remember when I was trying to make some new service developments in consulting a long time ago in my career, my instinct was to go and really bone up on the technical and read a lot of books and even kind of re-enroll back in university. And if I'm honest, I did get some coaching at the time that probably wasn't the best use of my time, actually. Whilst that was knowledge that was going to be valuable, far better use of time and greater emphasis would be on speaking to clients. And I think, if I'm really honest with myself, that was advice that I heard but didn't really want to listen to because I was less comfortable in that space back then. And hence, when we're working with engineers and other technical groups on this transition either into consulting or moving up through the ranks of consulting and towards consultative selling, it's that kind of mindset, that kind of understanding, and just helping reframe that need for expertise and what that really means and how we acquire it is a key part of our training journey there. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on that, and indeed if you have any thoughts on the articles that I've written, particularly if you've come from that engineering or technical background.